Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at welcome sa aking channel. Ibang klase pala talaga si Coco Martin. Imagine, kahit mahusay na artista si Elijah Canlas, kailangan pa rin nitong dumaan sa workshop para sa karakter nito sa serye nila. For the past months, we've been doing workshops. Up to now, it's still ongoing. Instant training, gun training, even acting workshops. Kasi may different formula yung style of acting here sa Batang Quiapo. And we had to learn that, sabi ni Elijah. Tulad daw ng ibang karakter, may responsibility mismo ang role niya na dapat plakado talaga. At syempre pa, super atat na si Elijah na maka-eksena si Coco. Sigurado raw na aabangan ng mga manonood ang paghaharap nila. Dahil siya mismo ay gustong-gusto na raw maranasan yun. Nung naikwento pala sa akin yung trajectory ng role, game na game agad ako, nag-guess na agad. Honestly, there was a different role offered to me. It's a type of role na I've done before, kaya I really thought hard about it, even if I wanted to join Batang Quiapo so much. Kasi ang dami kong nababalitaan, the experience about being part of the show. Nung una we were hesitant pa, and we were so honored kasi Kuya Coco thought of a role for me. At eto nga, si Pablo Caballero, sabi nilang ni Elijah. And that's all for our today's video. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel ay mag-subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell. Maraming salamat!